So since morning I did not take a trade today. Markets are flat over here. This is trying to give a breakout. My position is empty for now because my setup has not been made yet. Let's see. I'll update you guys if I take a trade. The situation in the market is difficult to predict today because Europe markets are negative, whereas Asian markets are positive. So it's become markets a little difficult today. Let's see, I'll update you guys if I take a trade. So this is the second breakout again over here, and I'm finding an opportunity to trade now because the trend line broke out. So I'm buying here. I bought Bank Nifty futures. Let's see what happens. So if I face a loss over here, my max loss is 1,900 rupees, and my profit can also be that much to satisfy the risk reward ratio. So let's see, depending upon the situation, where I exit or what the market gives me. I'll update you guys later. Once this high breaks, this high and this high, then our target can be completed. But let's see. This gave a breakout over here trend line. So I'm expecting this move. So currently the profit is around 100 200 bucks. If Nifty gives a breakout here successfully, then our targets can be easily achieved. We get a longer confirmation. But for now, this wick is very huge wick, and market has faced resistance over here, and over here it is facing one. Nifty gives a breakout, we are done. We can book our profits. So I'll wait more. So now my stop loss is at the demand and support zone over here. Here is my stop loss. I trailed my stop loss for like 15 points. I trailed my stop loss. My loss risk now is around 2,225 rupees. So at the support and demand zone, my stop loss is there. Once market breaks this resistance, we can look at these highs where my target is completed. So let's see, I'll update you guys according to the market situation. Currently, I'm in profit of 800 900 rupees. So it is about to break this high. यहाँ से अगर गिरा तो loss is accepted by me. We are on a streak of 6 days profit continuously. So today loss हुआ तो भी कुछ ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम नहीं है मुझे. I will accept it happily. So देखते हैं अभी ये कैसा ब्रेकआउट देता है. So Nifty has given a breakout with a good volume over here, and Bank Nifty also broke out. Currently we are in profit of 1,500. So let's see. I'm expecting more out of this breakout. So I'll try to book my profits on the next candle that opens. I trailed my stop loss again. I decreased my stop loss from 27,200 to 27,215, and my position is in profit 1,500. So let's see, stop loss कम किया अभी. Okay, this is a good move. I booked my profit 2,867 profit booked today. So this is my order details. 2,867 profit booked. Thank you for watching, guys.